Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to use the print function in different ways. Print function is the most important function, or we can say that it is the most commonly using function by a person who writes the program. Because if you want to show something or if you want to display something to the output screen, then you should use the print function. Now, print function can be used in different ways. In this video, we are going to see the different ways of using print function. For example, if you have a variable with the name A is stored with the value 10. Now, print A. So, if you are writing print A, the answer will be 10 because A is a variable here. You are not writing this A inside double quotes. So the answer is 10 or the output is 10. Now, if I write print double quotes A, then the output or the answer is equals to A because here I have used double quotes. Double quotes means this is not a variable, this is a string, this is a character. So the character or the string which is inside the double quotes is printed as it is. So that is why we get the output A. You can use double quotes or single quotes. So let's see an example for a single quotes. If I write in single quotes, hi, how are you? So this is a message which is written in single quotes. Single quotes and double quotes have no difference here because Python interpreter does not have the ability to differentiate between double quotes and single quotes. So the output will be hi, how are you? It's a message. Now, if I write print a number, print 5. So the meaning is just to print 5. So the output is 5. Now, if I write print 5 plus 5, so the answer will be calculated and the output is equals to 5 plus 5, 10. Now, I can print a message along with a variable. Let's see how it is. First, write the print function, then open the bracket, then start the double quotes. Here you can write the name or you can write the message like my name is, then close the double quotes, comma. Here you can use the variable name. For example, in the beginning, if I write name equals to, in double quotes, I'm writing Malu. So, Malu is a string and it is stored in the variable name. Now, here I am using the name. So my name is Malu will be displayed. Here name is a variable. My name is a string. Here you can write whatever you like because this is a string. The Python does not check the grammar mistake or spelling mistake or whether it is case sensitive or not inside double quotes. But you should put a comma and then write the variable name. So this is how we print a message along with a variable. Now, next example is suppose if I am writing double quotes 5 plus double quotes 5. So here double quotes 5. So this 5 is considered as a string. Plus is actually concatenation of strings. If plus addition symbol is used along with a number or integer, then it is used for adding the number. But if it is used along with a string, then it is used for concatenation. Now the output is equals to, you will get the output 5 5. So that means 5 and 5 are put together. They're concatenated and we got output 5, 5. So these are some of the ways of using the print function. Print is a predefined function. There are predefined functions and user-defined functions. Print is a predefined function. The vendor of the programming language already created this function. So we can directly use this function to display our answers in the output screen. So that is the reason why all programs need this print function. If you are not using a print function, then the output screen is blank. So that we don't know what is actually the program is. So the almost all programs are filled with the print function. So this function is very important. Let's revise once again. Here, name is a variable. It is stored with the value malu. This is a string. That is why I have written in double quotes. A is a variable and it is stored with the value 10. It is just a number, so I can write directly 10. Now, print A means A is not in double quotes, right? So, which means it is a variable. So, variable is printed means the value which is stored in the variable will be printed. So, I got the answer 10. Here, the letter A is printed, but it is in double quotes, which means this is not a variable, it is a string. So, that is why we got the letter A. Here, print hi, how are you? This is a message. You can use double quotes or single quotes to print a message. Print 5, the number 5 is printed. Print 5 plus 5. So the number 5 and 5 is calculated. Answer is 10. That is print. Print my name is name. What is name? This is a variable. The value which is stored in the variable is what? Malu. Malu. So the Malu is stored in the variable name. So my name is Malu. That will be the output. Now see this. Print 5 plus 5. 5 is a string here. Even though it is a number, it is written inside double quotes. So it is considered as a string. Here also this 5 is considered as a string. So the strings are put together by using this plus sign. And the answer is 5, 5. So I think the use of print function is clear for you. Thank you. Keep watching.